Umseleko-ke yena unxusa amakhosikazi akhe wonke to a very special dinner, and when he is inviting them uyabatshela ukuthi bebuye begqoke kuhle bebe neat. So when he decided to visit uMacele, the first wife, he had a conversation about uLwandle. So here they were having a conversation, and uMacele is saying that Lwandle got his gift from Umseleko. Umseleko yena uyala uthi uLwandle uyenza lokhu akufunayo. Lwandle says that he also wants a polygamous marriage. That's not what he's saying, but then his actions and everything are leading towards what his father has, and that's what he likes, that's what he's gonna get. Umseleko is saying that he is going to support him. Beqeda ukukhuluma ngendaba kaLwandle, they had to just talk about Usne. Umseleko is saying that Usne needs to be taught how to respect her own brothers. Usne had a lot to say at a dinner when it was her and her fellow siblings. Usne yena uthi abantu abamthandi, abantu bamtreata kubi, and uLwandle at some point got too physically violent with Usne. Umseleko is saying that Lwandle was not supposed to react the way that he did, but then also Sne has to be controlled. Sne has to respect her brothers, and she has to control her temper. The dinner that these siblings had, Usne uyakhanya uyakhala, uqeda ebatshele abanye ukuthi bona ba fake, bonke baya pretendelana, and uthe qeda ukukhuluma khonokho, Lwandle gets up like usechinga, useyenza Usne ukuthi akhale. Kwalivele kwaqala ke indaba. Where this issue is going or where it's coming from, only Sne and Lwandle understand, but from the looks of it, Umseleko usesayidini lika Lwandle, or maybe rather he's just thinking as an adult. Usne yena says that ubabake akamthandi, ubabake umtreated different from the other kids. Well, I wouldn't say that, but then Sne really has a way of doing her own things. What do you think? Do you think that Umseleko doesn't love Usne, or Sne is overreacting? Thank you so much for watching this video. Wait patiently for the next one.